So someone was in here and left some piece of the cloth sticking out. So time to fix that. Get you in here as best I can. So this bottom part right here just pops right out. Wow, it's so strong it broke my plastic. I guess if you do this every day, it'd probably be a lot easier and quicker, but I don't really deal with dash panels. So there we go, that's down. Now it says there's 2 Phillips head screws underneath, which there is. One here, and there's one over here. Now those 2 Phillips screws are out. They should pop right out. Which I'm just going to set that to the side because I don't want to remove it. Now up underneath here are also 2 more Phillips head screws. This wiring is right here in the way, so now that that's out, it shows just, oh, there we go. All right. Now that's how you remove that. This is how you get to the CD player, and if you need to do any adjustments to the CD player or anything, here's this, a couple Phillips head screws in the screen, but we're not going to deal with any of that because that's not what we were hired to do. So we're just going to take care of the cloth. Get rid of that, tuck it, which if you're watching this video, it's not because you got cloth, it's because you got major problems. So now that that's in, there's 2 bottom hinges. We will line those up. The 2 top hinges. And then tuck that in. Add 1. And then the really hard one to get to. Now remember that's plastic in there, so don't go too crazy on tightening that stuff. So make sure the wiring is next to the CD player, not in front of it. Click that back in. Add the last 2 Phillips head screws. Don't drop them. This is an Infiniti, so we don't want any rooting or rattling in there. And this one has 2 pegs, and they slide up in these little, there's white slots underneath there, so you have to pull back, lift up, and lock into place. So that's it. Take a look. Look at that, all gone. Look nice and beautiful. No, everything's in there. Again, hope that video helped you. Again, if you're doing this, you're not doing it because of cloth, you're doing it because you got a screen issue or a climate control issue or a CD issue. That's how you take it all apart.